Okay, welcome to American Dream Garage. We're out in Andover, and I went to an auction in a Mecum auction in Tulsa, and I'm going to do 3 segments on cars that I saw auctioned there, good examples that were similar to cars that I own, and we'll actually see, we'll look at the cars and then we'll see what they go for. Okay, the final car is a 1969 RS Z28. Unfortunately, also up on a lift. That's the problem with having cars in storage, is you gotta have some place to put them. This car is a former frame-up restoration. I really don't have a lot of history, but you can see that things have been redone. And it's not obviously as it would have been from years and years of use. So it's been redone. Again, this car is probably a 3+, 2-. All these cars are probably in that 2 to 3 range. I could probably clean them up and get them up higher. But anyway, they're at the auction. There is a silver Z28 and a blue. Both of them are fresh restorations. Both very good looking cars. So we'll see what those go. Welcome to American Dream Garage. We're at Mecum Tulsa, and I have a 69 green Z28. There are 2 almost side-by-side Z28s that I want to watch today. The first one here has a date correct engine and a pretty much over the top restoration. Looks like a full rotisserie restoration. Doesn't have a lot of documentation with it. But we can walk around the car. You can show the car. Has all the things you want: the teak steering, the rosewood steering wheel, and console and gauges, gauge package. Beautiful blue paint. So this one, nice car, high-end restoration, doesn't have official documentation. Has a date code correct engine, meaning that it was produced in the time range that would have been valid for this vehicle. So over here, we have another blue car, which I like this blue better. This would be some of the cars, I think, a Laguna blue. Car same, got the teak wheel, the gauge package, console. Good paint job.
Check the mileage on it so you know what it is.
I would say it's a matching numbers car, and it's got good documentation. So what that car lacks in documentation, this one makes up for. But the restoration quality on this one isn't quite as good. So it's got headers. Engine bay is dry, clean, but not overly not restored. And I'm guessing that the undercarriage will be the same. Yeah, clean and dry, but not restored. So this is a good original car. Maybe go walk around with you guys and show them. It'd be a nice driver. So good contrasting cars to look at, because they're very similar from the factory, but difference in restoration on one and documentation on the other to see which one actually does better. Obviously, if you combine what both of these cars have into one, you have an outstanding example. But both still very nice cars, so we'll see what they cross the line. Okay, we're still at Mecum, looking at one more Camaro for our comparison. So this is silver. This is a very popular color, silver and black. And it is high quality restoration. And it is a certified car. Says date code correct, so not matching numbers, but it is, and I assume they have documentation that it's a disc brake car, which is a pretty important option. So it's well equipped, disc brakes, ducted hood, chambered exhaust. Paint quality is exceptional. Doesn't have the rosewood steering wheel or the gauge package or the console. I'm hesitant to call any car a number one just because it's so difficult. But this should be fairly close to a number one. It's clearly a 2 plus. So this should be an interesting car when it crosses the lot.
Ladies and gentlemen, a 69 Camaro Z28, matching numbers 302, got a 4-speed deluxe interior protecto plate. Like that, I'm gonna be a bit of a 69 pound hand, I'm gonna be a bit of a cut of a bit. If 100,000 a bit, I'm gonna be a bit of a cut of a bit. I'm gonna 70,000 under down on 70, you 50, hit 50,000 bit, and 50, you 50 here, I'm gonna be a bit of a cut of a 30, cut of a 16, I'm gonna see 16,000 under bit, I'm gonna be 16, I'm gonna be 16, and 57, 16, and 16, I'm gonna be a bit of a cut of a 60,000, hit 16, I'm gonna be a bit of a 2, hit 10, I'm gonna be a bit of a cut of a 10, 10, 10, I'm gonna be 62 bit, hit 10, I'm gonna be a bit of a cut of a 2, I'm gonna be a bit of a 2, now 16 under 2, hit 10 bit, I'm gonna be a bit of a 2, deal 10, I'm gonna be a bit of a 2, I'm gonna be a bit of a 5, and a 5 bit, 16, 5 bit, I'm gonna be a bit of a 5, 5, I'm gonna be a bit of a cut of a 7 bit, and up there, I'm gonna be a 7 bit, hit 5, I'm gonna be a bit of a cut of a 7, now 65, 67,000, hit 5, I'm gonna be a bit of a cut of a 7 under bit, I'm gonna be 65, cars block, now 7 bit, hit 16, 5 here, 7, hit 5, I'm gonna be a bit of a cut of a 7 under bit, hands high, down 5, 7 bit, and a 5 there, 700 down, I'm gonna be a bit of a cut of a 67,000, and now 5 bit, 7 bit, I'm gonna be a bit of a cut of a 5, 7 bit, and I'm gonna be a 5 down 7 here, close at 65, close at $65,000 over 70,000 to buy. That's 101.1.
S125.1, a 1969 Camaro Z28 with an EZ suffix 302 under the hood. A 4-speed manual transmission finished in dark blue with blue interior, power steering, and chambered exhaust.
And somebody give $140,000 bid, 140. Give $140,000, 140, give 100. At $100,000 bid, you want to get 100 here, you want to get 50, 60. I have 50 bid, you want to get 60, 70. At 70 bid, you want to get 70, you want to get 80 bid, you want to get 80, 90. I have 80 bid, you want to get 90 bid, you want to get 90, you want to get 80, you want to get 90. I have 80,000, you want to get 90,000, you want to get 80 bid, you want to get 90. I have 80 bid, you want to get 90,000, you want to get 80, 90. I have 80,000, you want to get 90,000, you want to get 80 bid, you want to get 90, you want to get 90 bid, you want to get 90, 100. I have 90 bid, you want to get 100 bid, you want to get 100 bid, you want to get 90 bid, you want to get 100. I have 90,000, you want to get 100,000, you want to get 95. I have 90 bid, you want to get 95 bid, you want to get 5 bid, you want to get 95,000. At $90,000 is the bid. Anybody get $95,000 for it? At 90 bid, you want to get 95,000, you want to get 5 bid, you want to get 90 bid, you want to get 95. Anybody get 95,000? Close the bid, $90,000. Close the bid, the bid goes on.
Featured in the November Z28, featuring a 302, a 4-speed, certified by Camaro High Performance, and nothing but restored car.
You're about to down, negative 100, give 100. Yes, it is. I'm about to negative 100, down, negative 100, 40, 50. I am 40, down, negative 50, 60, down, negative 55, 65, 65, down 70, negative 70. I'm now 5, now 80, now 80 pound out of bed. I am 75, going to be 80 bed, 75 bed, down, negative 80,000. I am 75, 80, 85, I'm negative 5, 90. You're down to bed, negative 90,000 out of bed. Down 90 bed, negative 90,000 out of bed, down 90 bed, down 90. Down 90,000, yes. By the way, negative 85, down negative 82, 85. 85 pounds out of bed. 85 pounds out of bed, negative 5, negative 5. You're 5, 83. That what you got? Yeah, 85, 83, 85. I'm at 83 to bed, 85. 83 pounds an hour, 85 pounds an hour bed. 83 to 85. 83 pounds an hour, 85 pounds an hour bed. 83, 85. 83 pounds an hour, 85 pounds an hour. Here we go. 83, 85. I'm at 83, 85. I'm at 83, 85. Reserve off. I'm at 83, 85. 83 pounds an hour, 85 pounds an hour bed. On MC 28 Camaro. 83 pounds an hour, 85